Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Lesson 2.2, removing the mystery behind entering numeric values. Numeric values represent a quantity of some type, sales amount, number of employees, atomic weight, test scores, and so on. Values can also be dates or times. Here we've got a list of various fruits. We have headings across the top, and we have the category, the quantity, the price, and the total price. So here we have a collection in this range. This range here is F7 to J16. It's in a table format. We discussed this briefly. Here we have a formula up here, and the name is G6. Subtotal, we'll get into how to derive or understand the subtotal. We have a subtotal also, and the subtotal can be formulated through the charts, or you can write your own formula. And in this case, this is the subtotal of the number of fruits and their total price. Editing formulas. If you make changes to your worksheet, you may need to edit formulas, or if a formula returns one of the error values described later in this section, you might need to edit the formula to correct the error. You can edit your formulas just as you edit any other cell. There are several ways to get into the cell edit mode. For example, we have a formula here in G6. Here's your formula. To get into this particular edit, we can just go to the formula bar and we can hit F2 to modify that, or you can just highlight it. Apply this any way you want. You can use your back key, you can use your mouse. If you're frustrated and you have an error here, you can always just click right before the equal sign, hit enter. You can visually see your formula. You can edit this as you like. Go right to the cell. You can edit this from the cell, or you can go back up to the formula bar. Once you think it's correct, go to the equal sign, hit backspace, hit enter, and the formula recalculates or records an error. Press F2 on the keyboard. This enables you to edit the cell contents directly in the cell. If the double click allow editing directly in cell checkbox is not selected, the editing occurs in the formula bar. I just showed you a quicker technique by advancing one space before the equal sign. You can remove the equal sign. You can put a slash mark in front of the equal sign. You could put a tilde. Anything to disrupt the calculation will work. Just remember to remove that particular character before you attempt to recalculate. When you're ready to return editing the formula, insert the initial equal sign to convert the cell contents back to its formula. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.